beses. Sana ba nakakakita rito ng mga orbs? Orbs? You like orbs ba? Meron ba kayong pagkain ngayon?
Meron. Tuyo.
Pagkain naman. Kanina po ako nagugutom eh.
Tuloy. Get inside, get inside.
kasama dito.
Oh.
Ay, salamat ho. Naku. Bakit meron kayong alagang umano?
It's like a strange.
Baka masira baka masira, babe.
Oh, ano gusto mong kainin?
Ay, gusto
Says,
ko
what do you wanna
sana
eat?
Gulay lang kasi vegetarian na ako.
Ganun ba? Vincent, magsalo ko muna ng tubig dito.
Vincent!
Vincent, magsara ka ng tubig. Para naman may gamitin tayo sa panligot pagkain.
Okay, here's the water.
A tie?
Here's the water.
It's not time. It's
Ito
a
daw yung
waste.
tubig, kuya. Ayan na yung tubig na sa likod mo.
Take a bath first.
It's water.
Okay, drink.
That's arenola.
Oh, there's a big pool on the side.
It's a bread. What do you call this one?
Eggplant.
Oh, very good, Lola.
There's the audience.
Green bell pepper.
Oh, that's hard. Very good.
Okay. In the
Build
early
the bathroom
years,
first.
when you visit houses in the Philippines, you find the same thing. These are called the clean plates. Basically, they were all made in China. And this is the cups. That's where they drink the water.
Very Lola sila, by the way.
They all are made
I
in
don't
China.
know.
Oh, China.
Nung kasalukuyan ko nangangat, ganyan yung arenola ko eh, mataas.
They put their tea here, right? Yep. Right? Long time ago they put theirs. Anything, portable. I think we need this every time we travel.
Look at the herbs on the sides. These are all the herbs.
We have down in the Philippines, artisan well.
There's more right there above all those. That's over here is.
What's your food now? I'm hungry.
There's a lot of farms around there, I think. Even the rocking chair.
Okay, let's go.